Today I'm in Scotland to see this amazing project featuring 11 luxury homes, all with Control 4 and Faradite sensors. The project has been completed by the guys at 1314 Electrical and Smart Homes, and they are some absolutely gorgeous houses. Let's go take a look inside.
I'm James Thompson of 1314 Electrical Services, Smart Homes and Security. We're an electrical contracting business based up in Scotland, and we are out at Torwood today, an exclusive development that is 11 luxury smart homes that all have Control 4 installed throughout it, and we've also installed the Faradite motion sensors to automate the lighting throughout the hallways, thoroughfares and bathrooms and en-suites. We proposed these Faradite sensors to the developer and he really loved them for so many reasons. They were sleek, stylish, very discreet. This development has also been named as probably the biggest Control 4 development in Scotland ever, and I believe after talking to Matt, I think it is going to be the biggest Faradite development in Scotland ever. So we've installed these Faradite sensors in these homes to integrate with Control 4 because they work so seamlessly with them, and the integration is very easy for our engineers to install on site, and there is lots of different configurations we can do to set these up from controlling lights to ventilation and so on. Triggering music as well when you walk into rooms. There's so many different ways we can configure these sensors to control different aspects of the home. At 1314 we are really passionate about new build homes and businesses. If you are got a project coming up, we really believe that you should be really considering installing some sort of technology within your new build home or offices to ensure that your home's working for you, whether it would be simply automating the lighting, heating, having a bit of luxury in there, somewhere that you can enjoy, feel safe and secure and entertain your friends and family. So anyone in Scotland who has an exciting project coming up, whether it be a new build or a renovation, please, if you want any advice or we're looking for some help designing it, please get in touch. We would be more than happy to assist you on this, and you're more than welcome to visit our showroom so you can experience some of the smart technology we've got in there that we'll be proposing installing in your homes.
As you can see, the guys at 1314 Electrical have delivered one of the finest Control 4 projects in all of Scotland. If you want to find out more about what they do, head to their website. And if you want to find out more about Faradite sensors, make sure you head to www.faradite.com to find out more.